Okay, that's why you are getting double bond here, one lone pair. Now see, now I am writing two lone pairs as two bond pairs, two lone pairs as two bond pairs. Now what is the structure? N bond N, already single bond, two lone pairs. This lone pair written as bond pair, this lone pair written as bond pair. Wow, we are getting triple bond, nitrogen. Now here how many pairs? After writing two lone pairs as bond pairs, only one pair is left, one. Here no change, 1 2 3. This is also correct, this is also correct. Azide ion structure N3 minus, those structures. For suppose if you keep left side, okay, I wrote right side atom. Now I am taking left side also same, N triple bond N, single bond N. Now here three lone pairs, here one pair. So all these three structures correct for azide ion. These structures are known as resonance structures, resonating structures. We will discuss what is resonance later. We discuss in the further concept what is resonance. For identification, here I explained. So we can write in three different ways: N3 minus, N3 minus, N3 minus. Okay, all these structures correct for azide ion. Okay, next one, nitrous oxide N2O, nitrous oxide N2O. First of all, we have to count total valency electrons. Nitrogen 5, 2 nitrogens, 2 5s are 10, oxygen 6, there is no charge, that's why no need to add or subtract. Total 10 plus 6 8, 10 plus 6 16 electrons, that is 8 pairs. See how to write N2O structure. N2O structure, nitrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Keep single bond first, 1. How many pairs over? 2 pairs over, remaining 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. 6 pairs left. Then what we can do? 6 pairs written as lone pairs, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now check. Oxygen get octet, 3 plus 1 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 plus 1 4, 4 2s are 8, but middle central atom. Nitrogen around the nitrogen 2 bonds only, not getting octet and not maximum covalency. That's why what we can do? Same like this, one bond pair written as lone pair, sorry, one lone pair written as bond pair. Then what is the structure? N single bond, N double bond, O. Now 2 lone pairs. Here also one lone pair written as double bond. See, so this is the structure of N2. Otherwise, in the same way, you write triple bond also, right side triple bond also. We are getting structure N triple bond O. Now one pair, left side one bond, total 3. If you write, this is also structure of N2O. Otherwise, you write left side triple bond, then you will get like this, left side N triple bond, N single bond O. Now oxygen 3 lone pairs, nitrogen 1 lone pair. So all atom get octet. 1 plus 3 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 plus 3 4, 4 2s are 8. For this one 3 plus 1 4, 4 2s are 8. All these structures correct for what? N3 minus, and all these structures called as what? Resonating structures. Okay, so in 3 different ways we can write N2O structure. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, like as a diagram. Got it? So this is the way to write Lewis dot structure. First of all, we have to find total number of valency electrons. Next, write central atom and terminal atoms. First, keep single bond. Okay, so now check left pairs. Here 2 pairs, so left 6 pairs. So 6 pairs written as lone pairs. Now count each atom get octet or not, and central atom get maximum covalence or not. So in that way we can arrange. Okay, so this is the structure of Lewis dot structure. Next one, formal charge. Formal charge. Next concept, formal charge. To find formal charge, we have to know writing Lewis dot structure. Okay, see formal charge QF. Okay, what is formal charge? It is an imaginary charge. It is an imaginary charge assigned to write Lewis dot structure. What is formal charge? It is an imaginary charge assigned to write Lewis dot structure. Okay, generally it tells charge on each atom. Charge on each atom in the given molecule. What is the formula to find formal charge? Formal charge QF is equal to NV, number of valency electrons, minus number of lone pair of electrons, minus 1/2 into number of bond pair of electrons. This is the formula for formal charge. What is NV? Number of valency electrons of atom. Lone pairs, number of lone pair of electrons on the given on the atom, 1/2 into number of bond pair of electrons of the atom. Let's see ozone molecule. Ozone molecule O3. In the examination, sometimes directly given Lewis dot structure of the molecule, then very easy to find formal charge. For suppose given like that, find the formal charge on each oxygen atom in ozone molecule. For asking like this, then first of all we have to write Lewis dot structure. Okay, we know already how to write Lewis dot structure. Valency electrons is equal to 6, 3 6 are 18 electrons, that means 9 pairs. Okay, one oxygen atom. Central